Baka ma-expel kami ni Calix. Shucks.
Now, Angel.
Oo po, ma'am. Ma'am Dragona, yung nangyari po kahapon, si Calix po yung nagsimula nun. Magpapaliwanag po ako.
Ano nangyari kahapon?
Do it, Calix! Punch her!
Uy!
Hoy! 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 Ang bata!
Angel, tumawag ka na, Billy! Tama ako, Angel!
Tumapit ka dyan!
Ma'am Dragona, why did you call us here? I was just gonna review for the regional QuizCon tomorrow.
That's exactly the reason why you are here. Calix, your partner Frida cannot join you at the QuizCon tomorrow because she's in the hospital. And that's the reason why you are here, Angel. Ikaw ang gusto kong bago maging kapartner ni Calix for the regional QuizCon, which will be happening tomorrow.
Regional QuizCon po, ma'am? Tapos tomorrow na po agad?
Yes, I know it's crunch time for review, but because of your stellar performance in this school, I have enough faith in you.
Don't you dare na tanggapin to. If you do, I'll make your life hell. Ayoko maging partner ka.
Okay. Well, the prize money is going to be 35,000 pesos. And if you guys win, you will share this between the two of you.
Ako nang bahalang dumiskarte sa lahat. Dudublehin ko yung pagla-live selling ko ng tulong para maraming order sa atin.
Mama, bebe, tutulong po ako. Magkahanap ako ng parang para kumita ng pera. Tinatanggap ko po, Ma'am Dragona.
Very good. Last year, Brighton Bay Academy won the regional QuizCon. And according to the organizers, the games this year are going to be different and a lot difficult. Okay? So I will leave the two of you to review. Okay? And you're both excused from all of your classes today. Okay? Para mag-review kayo, ha? Sige.
Yes po, salamat po, Ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Dragona.
Narinig mo si Ma'am Dragona. Mag-review na tayo.
Fine. Ako muna magtatanong, ha? Question number 1. Bakit sobrang tigas na mukha mo na pumayag kang maging partner tayo dito? Kung hindi ka naman dumating dito sa Brighton Bay Academy, for sure may assign sa akin. So why don't you just quit?
Ayoko rin naman maging kapartner ka, Calix. Sa tingin mo ba gusto ko maging kapartner yung katulad mong self-centered, narcissistic, annoying at entitled? Pero kailangan ko to. Kaya kahit masama yung ugali mo, titiisin ko, Calix.
Alam mo, ang dami mong sinasabi. Stay out of my way sa QuizCon tomorrow. I can win the QuizCon kahit mag-isa pa ako.
Pakayabang talaga. Kaya mo to, Angel. Kaya mo to para kay Lola Savi. Shucks, yung bag ko! Buha ka na nag-aalis!